Good day everyone, my name is Rose from Channel C, and today I'm about to show you a tutorial on how to make formulas from a much comprehensive rule. We'll cover making an indicator from another indicator and eventually run a simulator out of it. Sounds exciting, right? Let's get started. Today we're going to be working on this condition. If the third latest close price is greater than MA, and if the MA of RSI is lesser than 40, then we buy. And if the third latest close price is lesser than MA, and if the MA of RSI is greater than 60, then we sell. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is we need to figure out what are the needed charts that the formula is asking us. So I think we needed two charts. One chart is for moving average and one chart is for RSI. So now let's pull up a chart with moving average and also an RSI chart with the 40, 50, 60 level. So let's pick a date, get OHLC data, drag MA. Okay, make sure it is apply to close because that's what we're looking for in here. And then hit OK. Then let's also do an RSI. Okay, make sure this is 40, this is 60, then hit OK. And it's also asking us the moving average of RSI, so we will be applying MA2. Make sure it is applied to RSI. There you go, we got it. So these are the needed charts for our formula. Now all we need to do is to know how to identify what to put in the rules manager and where to put it there. But before we do that, let me show you a video first again so we can identify where to put all of these formulas on. So that's a quick recap where and what to put in the rules manager. So again, that is buy first, then sell. Sell first, then buy. A, B, B, A. The first formula we have is asking us to buy. So definitely we will put it here on this first tab. Let's do that then. So now let's add the formula. Let's go first with a candlestick and the MA. Then for the figure number 40, let's add rule empty. Let's change that later. Let's just add the MA of RSI. And since it's asking the third latest close price, we must change the shift to 3. And we must also change the MA because it has to be always in line with each other. Alright, then generate rules. It will create formulas to the rest of the tabs like this one. So since all the formula have been created already, all we need to do is just change the value of 40 and also 60. So 40 is being asked on the first tab. So let's try to change this rule empty to 40, and since it has the same value as this one, let's just change this to 40 as well. Okay, the second and the third tabs also have the same value, so since the second tab is asking for 60, we'll change this one to 60 and also this one to 60. Let's go ahead and check if we got the right formulas. Let's go back to the first tab and check the formula. So again, the formula is asking the third latest close price should be greater than MA. So that's the reason why we put it first, because we want to put it on the odd number or the white row, which is greater than the gray one. So it appears to be correct since close price is greater than moving average. And the second line is asking the 40 should be greater than the MA of RSI. So that's why we put 40 on the white. We put the moving average of RSI on the last one, which is the gray one. So it appears to be correct. And we just reverse that on the second one. So definitely this is also right. Alright, so let's go ahead and run the simulator. So let's close this rules manager and pull up the simulator. Click this one. And let's pick a date. So let's say June 1. Let's change this to June. Then also to June 5th. Then let's run the simulation. Hit OK. So this is what we call the simulator. This is one of the best feature we have. So again, no need to find a software programmer. We can provide you this feature here for free at Channel C. And it appears to be showing green and red points. So those are the buy and sell points out of the formula that we created earlier. Still running. Okay, we'll finish. So once you finish the simulation, you can go ahead and check the balance line to see an illustration if you have gain or loss in pips. So let's click this one, and here you go. Here is our balance line. So I think we have gained some money from here to here. And if you want to get the details or information, again, as I mentioned on the previous video, you can find it here. So it will tell you details and how many orders you got, what are the selling price or the buy and sell points also. And this tool is very, very helpful, very complete. Okay. There you have it, a quick and easy tutorial on how to run a simulation for a much comprehensive formula. Thanks for staying with me again till the end of this video. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Again, this is Rose from Channel C. I'll see you next time. Bye.